Hi everybody and welcome. This is the Watch Watcher. Just so you guys know, this is my very first video. And I am holding in my hand right now my Orient M-Force. This is a very nice watch. I've had this watch for quite some time. And Orient is not really known for having the greatest bracelets, at least not on their kind of entry-level stuff. So I wanted to get a new bracelet. And the reason I made this video, and the reason I'm going to make the subsequent videos, is I've learned a lot over the years, and I would like to share some of what I've learned, even though it may seem trivial and very simple to some people. I've learned a lot, and YouTube has been a great resource for me, so I would like to share some of this with all of you. Anyway, this particular bracelet is from a brand called Strapcode, otherwise known as Miltat, and the whole gist of this bracelet is that it is toolless. So you don't need any tools to put it onto the watch or adjust the links or anything like that. So you can see here that it has the quick release bars, so you don't need any tools to put that on there. This has the springs on either side, the little balls with the springs, so that's really cool. A lot of these just have one, so I like the fact that it has two. And then the bracelet itself, if you look right about here, you see those little arrows that go up and down? So you don't need any tools because there are no pins, there are no screws. So you take your link and you pull it up, and then you swing it out of the way, and then you simply slide the bracelet apart. And then you would do the same if you wanted to take out one or two links. And then when you want to put it back together, you simply take this and you slide it back over the pin. And then you're going to pick it up again and swing it over and put it back on top of the pin. And that's how you adjust the bracelet. So I've been collecting watches for about 35 years, give or take, and I think this is really one of the coolest things that I've seen in quite some time. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'm hoping to produce a lot more videos about everyday watch tasks, changing links, adjusting bracelets, different types of watches and how they work, and just very simple things. And again, I just want to share some knowledge with you guys. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.